If you are facing Facebook does not recognize your device problem, then this types of, so today's video will help you. So as I have seen for here, so hope this helps you. So first of all, go to the description box and then you can see the last link here and the text here. So just go to the last link and then scroll down, and then you can see a option that yes or no. Just click to the no options and then click to the other options. So after that you will see these types of text box. Just go back there and you can see the text here. Just copy this and then copy this. After, go back there and paste those and just add your email and phone number like this. Just enter your email and phone number. So after some submitting the this form, after that 1 to 12 hours your account will be get back. So hope this helps you. If this